I welcome every one of you to this channel today, and today the topic we are going to discuss is matrices. The basic concept, then we move and solve different type of questions, addition of matrices, subtraction of matrices, multiplication, and other areas of a matrices, including determinants and others. So I want to concentrate as we walk through this basic concept of matrices, and I will encourage you to comment, to ask your questions. Any questions that is battering your mind, feel free to ask questions and be able to attend to your questions. Share this to others that may need it as well. Let's continue. Matrices. Basic concepts. A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers that can be enclosed within brackets. Is within brackets. So these are the examples of matrices. You can have it in different forms this way. Now, let's take this as an example and see what the meaning of this structure. The numbers 2, 3, minus 5, and 1. This number, they are called the element of matrices. They are the element of this matrix. Likewise, 1, 3, 5, they are the element of this matrix. 7, 0, 4, all these are the element of this particular matrix. Look at this. 5, 1, 3, 2, 4, 4. All these are the elements of this particular matrix. So we need to understand that. Then, if you look at this, let's consider the following array of numbers. Let's look at these 2. Let's look at this 3. Let's look at this minus 5. Let's look at this 1. So for instance now, if I take 3, 2, look at that. These, they are in the first row. 4, 5, second row. That means there are 2 rows here. 2 rows in this type of matrix. And 3, 4. These 3 and 4, this is the first column and this is the second column. Okay, that's why let's look at this. 3, 1, 4. These are the first column. 2, 1, 5. These are the second column. So meaning that this type of matrix has 2 columns. Let's look at this. This 2, 3, minus 1, 5, 1. If you look at this now, there are 2 rows here. First row, second row. This is the first column, second column. Can you see that? Look at this. This is 1. We have only 1 row in this matrix, while we have 1, 2, 3, 3 columns. Look at this one. We have 1, 2, 3. There are 3 rows here, but 1 column in this type of matrix. Let's look at this one. 1, 2. There are 2 rows in this matrix, while 1, 2, 3. There are 3 columns in this type of matrix. We are going to look at more examples on this. The matrix 3, 2, 4, 5 has 2 rows. This first row, second row. Look at this. This is the first row. Look at it. This is the second row. This is the first column. This is the second column. So if you look at it, first row, second row, first column, second column. So if you look at it, it is said to have 2 by 2 matrix. This type of matrix is order 2 by 2. So it is order 2 by 2. Order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Why? Because we have 2 rows and 2 columns. So 2 rows, 2 columns. 2 rows, 1, 2, 1, 2. So 2 rows, 2 columns. That is an order of 2 by 2. Order of 2 by 2. Let's look at another one. This 3. Look at this 3, 2. This is our first row. Look at this one. This is our second row. Look at that. Then this is our third row. So there are 3 rows here. Why this is our first column. Look at it. This is our second column. So you look at this type of matrix now. The order of this matrix, if you look at it, it is 1, 2, 3. That is 3, 1, 2. That's 3 by 2 matrix. The order of this matrix is 3 by 2. It's order of 3 by 2. Okay. In general, a matrix with m row and n column is said to have order of m by n. So you mention the row first before the column. So m row, n column. So therefore, if you have 2 rows, 2 column, that's 2 by 2 matrix. But if you have 3 rows, 2 column, that is 3 by 2. The order of matrix here is 3 by 2. Okay, not only that, a matrix with only 1 row is called a row matrix, while a column only matrix, that is a matrix that has only 1 column, we call it a column matrix. A column matrix. So column matrix. A column matrix. So the elements there are only in what? In the column. So it's column matrix. If the elements are only in the what? In the row, they are called that type of matrix is called a row matrix. For instance, let's look at this. This 5 minus 3, 1. The elements are only in 1 column. Look at the 5 minus 3, 1. All these elements of this matrix, they are arrayed in column, in a single column. That is a column matrix. Why these 2, 3, 4? All these, they are only in what? In 1 row. That is a row matrix.